was just sent these ice cube trays. These are circular ice cube trays that are actually used in tumblers. There are 4 of them in this little square here. And these are really neat because they're actually made to keep your drink colder for longer. And it's in this nice silicone container, and it's got a little lid on it, so that way things don't fall in it while it's in the freezer, and it kind of just keeps that all covered up. And you have your operating instructions. So to be able to use these, all you've got to do is just fill them up with water, put the cover on it, put it in the freezer. In about 4 to 6 hours, they're frozen. You're ready to use them. It doesn't take much because all you're really getting is just this outside part. But with a tumbler, you actually can layer these things in here, and you can even put like little fruits or something down in there too to help flavor your water. And then you've got like flavored ice cubes. So I'm gonna go fill this up with water. We'll let it freeze, and then we'll take a look at it in the tumbler. So I've had my ice in the freezer all night. The little lid on here, and you can see it all froze up real nice. I ran just a little bit of water under here so that way they would come out really quickly. And I've got my Stanley water bottle here. So we could just easily pop these out with this nice silicone. It just slides right out. And then I'm just gonna go in order of what they tell me to put the ice in. So first, and then as you layer them in there, you can see they just fall right down into the Stanley. And you can use some of these, you can use 1 or 2 of them. That is up to you, however you want to do it. But these fit the 30 and 40 ounce tumblers. But as you can see, it just kind of stacks right inside of there, and it just lines the outside of the tumbler. So we'll add some water in here and see how it reacts. So there you see the ice all stays together. And one of the great things is you can put your straw down in there and the ice is not in the way now. And you can put these in the dishwasher, so that's awesome if you did want to wash them in the dishwasher. But very flexible, easy to use, and nice for your tumbler.